Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably looking to close your JP Morgan self-directed investing account, and I'm here to make it simple and stress-free. Whether you're switching to another broker or just streamlining your finances, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, before you start, double-check that this is what you want. Closing an account means saying goodbye to any investments or funds inside it, so make sure you've sold or transferred everything out to avoid complications. It's also a good idea to review any potential fees JP Morgan might charge for closure, so check their website or give customer service a quick call. Step 1. Log into your JP Morgan online account using your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication, you'll need to verify that too. It's all about keeping things secure. Step 2. Once you're in, head over to the Account Services or Settings section. This is usually in the main menu, so look around your dashboard. It might be labeled as Manage Accounts or something similar. Step 3. Find the option to close your account. It could be under Account Management or Close Account. Click on it, and the system will guide you through a series of prompts. Step 4. Review the details carefully. You'll need to confirm things like your personal information and any outstanding balances. If everything looks good, proceed to submit your request. You might have to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. Step 5. After you submit, JP Morgan will process your request, which could take a few business days. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation. They'll let you know when it's all done. And there you have it. You've successfully closed your account. Remember, if you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact JP Morgan's support team. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.